Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we gonna solve the exercise number 74. This is a SolidWorks tutorial for mechanical engineering students. I gonna use SolidWorks 2020 for designing this mechanical fixture. Hope you will learn with fun and stay connected with us by subscribing my channel. Watching this SolidWorks 2020 tutorial you will learn the use of various tools and features, like circle, line, trim, smart dimension, sketch relationship, extrude, and extrude cut command. First, we gonna sketch the front view of the part and then extrude it. Then we'll do one more sketch at the top plane, and we'll do extrude cut for completing the tutorial. Hope you will enjoy and stay engaged with us by sharing your feedback through comments. Let's start the design. Click on New Part. Go to Apply Scene and select Plain White Background, for better visualization. Now we will sketch this front view of the fixture. Left-click on the front plane and take Sketch command. First, we gonna sketch these two circles. Take Circle command and draw circles like me. Take Smart Dimension command. Inner circle diameter is 30 mm. Outer circle radius is 25 mm, so diameter is 25 multiplied by 2 is equals to 50 mm. Now we will draw these portions. Take Line command and draw lines like me. Make sure that these lines are horizontal and also tangent to those circles. Draw the same lines in this side also. Select the line and circle and choose tangent relationship. Do the same for this portion. Left-click and make it horizontal. Make it horizontal too. This distance is 70 mm. Take Smart Dimension. Do the same for this side also, distance is 70 mm. Press OK, to complete the command. Sketch is fully defined. Now we will trim all unnecessary lines from the sketch. Take Trim Entities command. Looking perfect now, let's do extrude. From the feature menu take extrude command. Reverse the extrude direction. Extrude length is 40 mm. Press OK to complete the extrude. Now we will use extrude cut command for removing those unwanted parts. Left-click on the top surface and choose Sketch command. Let's draw the rectangle. Take Rectangle command from the Sketch menu. Take Smart Dimension. Length of the rectangle is 40 mm. Here width is 20 mm. Distance is 10 mm. Now we will draw the circles. Take circle command from the sketch menu and draw circles like me. Diameter of the inner circle is 28 mm and radius of the outer circle is 20 mm. Take Smart Dimension command. Diameter is 28 mm. Diameter is 20 multiplied by 2 equals to 40 mm. Press OK to compile the command. Control select the circle and line and choose tangent relationship. Again, make them tangent. The sketch is fully defined. Now we need to convert these lines for using in our sketch. Take Convert Entities command from the sketch menu. Select these lines and press OK. Let's trim the unwanted lines. That's perfect. Let's do the extrude cut operation. Now take Extrude Cut command. Select the areas. From the drop-down select Through All. Press OK to complete the Extrude Cut command. Press spacebar of your keyboard and select isometric view. Congratulations! This is the part which we were trying to build. Let's do some motion study. Change the play speed to 3x. Click on this icon to select animation type. Change the duration to 30 seconds and click Finish. Now click on the play button. Hope you enjoyed this SolidWorks tutorial. I have made this mechanical fixture designing tutorial for my beginners friends. If you want more tutorials like this, then do not forget to subscribe my channel and leave a comment about this tutorial.